Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today's session we are discussing oxyacids of chlorine, group 17, and group 17 elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. These we are calling as halogens. So what is the name of group 17 elements? Halogens. In this chlorine oxoacids I am going to discuss. Chlorine can form HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4. Four types of oxoacids. Four types of oxo or oxy acids. And now I am discussing in detail about structures, their names, their properties in detail. See, first one we are calling as HClO, hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid. One formula you remember, remaining easy. Add one oxygen, you are getting HClO2, and add one more oxygen, you are getting HClO3. Add one more oxygen, you are getting HClO4. This is hypochlorous. This is second one we are calling chlorous acid. What we are calling? Chlorous acid. Add one more, you are getting chloric acid. We add one more, you are getting perchloric acid. Very simple. Chlorous, add one oxygen, chlorous, add one more oxygen, chloric, add another oxygen, perchloric. Like this you are getting chlorous, that is hypochlorous, getting into chlorous into chloric into perchloric. No need to by heart. Just you remember chlorous, then you are getting. Let me discuss in detail about their structures. See here, first one I am taking chlorine oxyacids we are discussing. That's why chlorine is the central atom. HClO structure I am drawing. So chlorine is the central atom. Remaining one oxygen, one OH. One oxygen, one OH. This chlorine bonded with one hydrogen and one oxygen, like this. Actually here chlorine is the central atom, but here by looking into structure you are going to oxygen is the central atom. So chlorine or 7th group family, 7 electrons are present. So one bonded already, remaining 6 electrons. Oxygen having 2 lone pairs. This is the shape we are calling bent shape. What we are calling? Bent shape. So shape of the molecule is bent. And go for hybridization. sp3 hybridization. You calculate hybridization. And go for how many replaceable hydrogens are there? Here one hydrogen. So it is monobasic. What is this? Monobasic. So bent shape, sp3 hybridization and monobasic acid. And the next one you go for HClO2. HClO2. Clear? HClO2 name is chlorous acid. So what is the central atom? Chlorine is the central atom. Chlorine is the central atom. And oxy acid na one OH bond is compulsory. And another oxygen is there, that is double bonded. See, 3 electrons are bonded. Remaining we have 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pairs are present on chlorine. Now shape. So shape of this molecule is bent shape, and hybridization sp3 and one OH group is there. That's why monobasic. Go for third one. And chloric acid. What is that? Chloric acid. So HClO3, chloric acid. As you know very well, central atom is chlorine, no doubt. Chlorine is the central atom. And here one OH bond is compulsory because oxo acids, and remaining 2 oxygens bonded with 2 double bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 lone pair is present. And it is the shape we are calling as pyramidal shape. And hybridization, as you learned already, sp3, and it is also having one OH group. That's why monobasic. What is this? Monobasic. And the last one we have HClO4, perchloric acid. So I am drawing the structure. Chlorine is the central atom. And now one OH group, no doubt at all. One OH group here, and here one OH group, and here double bond O, and here double bond O, and top one double bond O. By looking into this only you can say easily it is having the tetrahedral shape. Geometry is tetrahedral, and hybridization sp3, and one OH group is there. That's why monobasic. So all are sp3 hybridized and monobasic. sp3 hybridization and monobasic. Clear? This is bent shape. This is also bent shape. This is pyramidal, and this is tetrahedral. So this is about oxo acids of chlorine. And along with this, we will discuss the properties. So most important property in these oxo acids we have to remember, that is acidic strength. So regularly asking question for competitives, acidic strength. So here we have HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4. Hypochlorous, chlorous, chloric, perchloric. So when you are moving HClO to HClO4, acidic strength going to be increased. So what is the reason to increase acidic strength? Means oxidation number increasing. See, all are having same central atom, chlorine. Same central atom is there, means then you have to go for oxidation number. See, here you calculate oxidation number. This you are getting +1, and this is +3, and this is +5, and this is +6. So you remember oxidation number here, +1 in chlorous, and that is hypochlorous, and here chlorous +3 and chloric plus 5, perchloric plus 7 oxidation number. As oxidation number increasing, acidic strength going to be increase. This is the trick to remember. See, this is all central atom same. If central atom is different, then here I am taking HClO, HBRO, central atom I am changing, HIO, here chlorine, bromine, iodine. Then what is the acidic strength means? Acidic strength going to be decrease. Same central atom is there, we have to go for oxidation number. Different central atom is there, acidic strength going to be decrease. The reason is electronegativity decreasing. Down the group electronegativity decreasing. Remember, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is the electronegativity order. So fluorine is highest electronegative, you know very well. And down the group electronegativity always decreasing. As electronegativity decreasing, acidic strength also decreasing. So now I given with the same central atom with a different central atom. Same central atom is there, oxidation number you have to see. As oxidation number increasing, acidic strength increasing. Different central atom is there, you have to see electronegativity decreasing, acidic strength going to be decreasing. Clear? Let me discuss and different properties. Go for here. This time I am taking the property bond energy. The second property I am taking bond energy, or we can say bond strength also. Bond strength. HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4. 4 oxo acids of chlorine. Bond energy we have to discuss. Bond energy among these acids going to be increase. Bond energy going to be increase. Reason is number of bonds increasing. Number of bonds are going to be increased. See here. When you saw the structures, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bonds are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonds. Here 3 bonds. Here 2 bonds. As number of bonds increasing, bond energy also increasing. When bond energy increasing and remaining factors also going to be affected. If these are same central atom, different central atom is there, then how to discuss different central atom? For example, HClO and HBRO, HIO. Then here number of bonds increasing, no doubt, but size of this central atom increasing. Size of central atom going to be increasing. If size of central atom is going to be increased, what happened? Distance increase. Distance increase means bond energy is going to be decrease. Bond energy going to be decrease. Next, third property I am thinking thermal stability. You know very well, stability depending on bond energy. Here I am giving HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4. HClO4. Clear? Thermal stability is going to be increase due to bond energy is going to be increase. Bond energy going to be increase. Go for with a different central atom. Different central atom. If different central atom I am taking, for example, HClO, HBRO, HIO. Now thermal stability going to be decrease due to electronegativity decreasing. Electronegativity decreasing. So same central atom is there, one trend. Different central atom is there, another trend. Go for another important property, oxidizing power. Oxidizing power. This is very important. Number of times asked for exams. HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4. Hypochlorous to perchloric. Now oxidizing power going to be decrease. Oxidizing power going to be decrease. Reason is oxidation number going to be increase. Remember, as oxidation number of central atom going to be increase, oxidizing power decreasing. Oxidizing power decreasing. If different central atoms are there, different central atoms, then go for HClO, H, or I am taking 3 here, HBRO3, HIO3, like this given. Oxidizing power trend they are asking. Now going to be decrease because electronegativity decreasing. This property is same. This property is same. So this is, we have different properties: bond energy, thermal stability, oxidizing power, rate, and acidic strength of different properties of this family. So oxidation number, you remember that +1, +3, +5, +7. And here one more clarity I am going to give to you. HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4 given to you. Here oxidation number going to be increase. Oxidation number increase. Thermal stability going to be increase. Left to right I am giving. Left to right. And covalent character or nature, covalent nature between halogen and oxygen going to be increased. This you remember very easy. Electronegativity of central atom is same. Electronegativity of central atom is same. And another more, basic strength decreasing, acidic strength increasing na. So acidic strength increasing, basic strength decreasing. Left to right. Left to right. Same I am giving here to you. HClO, HBRO, HIO. Now down the group. This is left to right. This is the down the group. Down the group, if you observe HClO, HBRO, HI, The properties: electronegativity decreasing, thermal stability decreasing, oxidizing power decreasing, acidic strength decreasing, and the last property we have, that is oxidation number. Only central atom oxidation number here is the same. See, this is in left to right, HClO to HClO4. This is HClO down Hi, down the group. So if you remember this, then easy all the properties. And this table, what I given here, according to HClO2, HClO4, and this table what I given down the group. If you remember, then all properties are very easy. And here all are expressing same hybridization. HClO, HClO4, all are sp3 hybridized. HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4, all are sp3 hybridized. That is also you have to remember. Clear? Next, another thing you have to remember, all are monobasic. So only one hydrogen they can donate, because one hydrogen only present. So all are monobasic, all are sp3 hybridized and having HClO bent shape, HClO2 bent shape, HClO3 pyramidal shape, and HClO4 perchloric acid is tetrahedral structure. You know, down the group, fluorine to iodine, electronegativity is going to be decreased, and oxidation number also HClO2, HClO4 increasing. Oxidation numbers are +1, +2, +1, +3, +5, +7. As oxidation number increasing, acidic strength going to be increase, and electronegativity increasing, acidic strength increasing. So this is complete information about halogen acids, that is oxyacids of chlorine. Thank you.